In this video, I'm gonna share with you how I got my first commission ever and why I'm so excited about affiliate marketing. So I got my first commission ever back in, I believe, 2007. That's right. I've been doing this for over 15 years on the internet marketing game. All right. So how I got started into affiliate marketing, it was around 2006, 2007. And the only reason I even got on the internet, to be honest with you, is because that's when people started like making music and making beats on the computer and things like that. Well, a lot of people doing it before. So I wanted to get, start learning how to make beats and stuff online. So I was like, yo, I gotta get on the internet. And for whatever reason, I came across like some sort of like make money online ad, back in the day. I don't know if it was through Google or whatever. And just the thought of that was just cool to me, right? When I saw like make money online, I'm thinking, huh? You know what I mean? Because I just started getting on the internet and I'm like, I just want to make beats. And I'm like, wow, you can make money? Like how, right? So at that point, whatever the ad was or something like that, I ended up coming across a course called The Average Joe, right? Now, I don't even know if this course exists anymore, but if it do, I'm sure it probably had to change the whole, the course, right? Because it's just a different time. Because inside of the course, they showed you how to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically just, well, hell, you watching this video. Well, maybe you still don't know exactly what it is, but affiliate marketing is basically where you promote somebody else's product or service, and every time you create a sale, you get a commission from that sale. All right. So anyway, The Average Joe taught you how to make money with affiliate marketing, but the method that they used to generate commissions was article marketing. That's what Average Joe taught you how to do, how to use article marketing to make money. Now, at that time, article marketing was it right then. Like that was what everybody was teaching back then. That's how a lot of people was making money, just strictly by doing article marketing. This is way before like the mass of video marketing. Like YouTube and stuff was out, but like people wasn't really on it like that. It was all about written content, article directories and databases. They were huge back then, right? So that's what that course taught me, right? So I was so intrigued with it. I'm like, yo, I gotta, like, I loved it, right? So I started doing everything what the course said to do, right? Writing articles, joining different databases and using keywords and all that good stuff. And which a lot of courses do, pretty much they were like, hey, inside the course, they're like, well, if you need a product to promote, you can promote the average Joe, right? Like, so, you can use what you're learning in this course and you can use it to sell the average Joe, which was genius by the creator, right? Because he had tons of people promoting his course using article marketing, which is bravo. So anyway, after doing it, I'm writing articles, I'm submitting them like every other day, and really like nothing was really popping. I was getting traffic to these articles I was writing, right? I was getting traffic. I was doing good. I thought I was the man. But I wasn't generating no sales at all, right? So I would say probably 2 or 3 weeks after really like grinding, right? And just submitting article after article and doing everything from the course. One day I checked my ClickBank account and I saw that little bar, that little colored bar that indicated that I had a commission. Let me tell you something. And this is why I love affiliate marketing and always promote it and talk about it, because like the feeling that I had when I logged in and I seen that damn commission, I was like, it felt like I won $1 million. Now keep in mind, I believe the commission was only like it was like $20 or something like that, right? Maybe 27, but I think it was like $20 and some change. But just to see that was like, oh shit, like this is real. Like you really can make money online doing this? Like that was my thought process, right? And just seeing that, like I just stared at it like all day. I would log into my account like every other hour just to look at that commission. You know what I mean? And I'm like, yo, so this stuff is real, right? So that was my very first commission. And it was a long time ago. And since then, obviously, I've made many commissions and created my own products and sold my own products since then. But it's like, yo, affiliate marketing is real. And here's the cool thing. Nowadays, since, 15 years ago, affiliate marketing is huge. And there are people making 6 and 7 figures strictly from affiliate marketing, right? So if you're watching this and you're having doubts about it, or you've been trying it and struggling, or you thinking about getting to it, go for it. Why? Because back then, like the only real way to promote affiliate marketing was like doing Google ads, like paid ads. Article marketing was huge at the time, and creating blogs. Now with social media, with Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook Reels, and still people still do have blogs and still write articles, right? You have so many options and opportunities to promote affiliate products. If you have any interest, there's no reason why you shouldn't pursue it, because now you have, just so many different opportunities to generate commissions. It's like crazy. All right. But one thing that'll really help you with affiliate marketing is, like, first of all, take it serious, right? Because it's super easy to sign up and be an affiliate, right? You can join ClickBank or Digistore24 or Amazon. It's easy to become an affiliate, right? And just as easy as it is to become an affiliate, it's just as easy to quit. And that's why most people fail, because they jump in like, ooh, affiliate marketing, that's dope. I could promote people's products. And then once they start doing stuff and they don't see instant commissions, or they're not getting the traffic that they want, it's easy for them to be like, that's trash. It's a scam. It's whack, right? And that's not the case. You just got to figure out your lane and stick with it. All right. Another thing is, I highly suggest, at least, especially when you're just getting started, promote products that you like. Promote products that you enjoy talking about, products that you use, services that you use, because that will make it a lot easier for you to promote it, because you know what you're talking about and you're interested in it, right? So you'll be more enthusiastic about, promoting whatever it is you're promoting. Now, as you get advanced and things like that, some people, they outsource, all their marketing and stuff like that. But that's taking it to another level, right? But I suggest being interested in whatever you are, whatever you're promoting. But yeah, guys, that's how I generated, my very, very first commission. Back in the day, it was a course called The Average Joe. I used the information inside the course. They taught article marketing. Nowadays, if this course still existed, I'm sure it should have transitioned into like video marketing, because that's what I do. 95% of my marketing is video, because video marketing is huge right now and there's no signs of that slowing. So if you're gonna get into affiliate marketing, me personally, I suggest you start creating videos, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff, right? Bottom line is, affiliate marketing is dope. You can make money with it, and when you do get that first commission, it feels so good. All right. So if you want to check out my 3 favorite affiliate marketing programs that I am currently making money with, all you need to do is check the links in the description or the pinned comment of this video. Peace.